Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by unlocking the phone and confirming basic prerequisites. A charged battery and SIM help avoid interruptions. Open Settings now. If menus differ, use the search field to type Emergency or SOS. Once there, locate Security, Emergency SOS, or Lock Screen shortcuts. Different Vivo models place this in different sections. You need this screen to change the emergency call trigger, so pause only long enough to reach the correct menu. Don't skip the search step if you can't find it. Now you modify the actual trigger so accidental calls stop. Turn off auto emergency call or change the trigger method from rapid power presses to long press or set it to none. If available, extend the countdown timer or require fingerprint verification before the call proceeds. This prevents pocket dials. Make the changes and test with a simulated trigger. Do not call emergency services. Once done, the phone won't place emergency calls from accidental input, which reduces false alerts. Finish by saving settings and rebooting the phone so system services reload the new behavior. If emergency calls still occur, inspect third-party apps with call or accessibility permissions. Revoke anything suspicious, then reboot again. Test using a non-emergency simulated trigger. Do not contact emergency services. If unwanted calls persist after permissions and settings are correct, contact Vivo support or visit a service center. It may be a firmware or hardware fault that requires professional attention.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.